Hello and welcome to the Open SAP course, SAP Digital Supply Chain, from Design to Operate. My name is Mike Lackey and I'm the Global Head of Solution Management for SAP Digital Manufacturing. In this unit, I will introduce you to the topic Manufacture with SAP Manufacturing Solutions. Our digital manufacturing strategy enables corporations to optimize production and innovate with new business models to expand market share. Our solutions simplify the digital transformation of factories for discrete and process industries, enabling agile, efficient, and highly autonomous manufacturing that is seamlessly integrated with the extended supply chain network and the intelligent enterprise. We see a tremendous opportunity for manufacturers to respond to customer demand more quickly, to build products in region that are closer to where the end customers are, and deliver on the lot size of one, moving from mass production to mass customization of individualized and personalized products. In the digital era, manufacturers must transform or be left behind. As the pace of change accelerates and competition increases, industry lines are becoming blurred. Leading manufacturers are becoming intelligent enterprise by optimizing and extending business processes from the shop floor. The digital transformation driven by Industry 4.0 enables employees to focus on high-value outcomes and to invent new business models and revenue streams. By applying intelligent technologies such as the Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced analytics, leading industrial manufacturers transform into event-driven businesses. Event-driven businesses automate repetitive tasks, enable employees to focus on higher value tasks, and allow companies to invent new business models and revenue streams by monetizing data-driven capabilities and applying core competencies in new ways. The need for customer centricity is being driven by the ever-changing customer requirements, which are becoming more specific or individualized. Manufacturers are under pressure to deliver a lot size of one while controlling cost, improving quality, and delivering at a rate that not only meets but exceeds their customer expectations. To increase agility in their processes, they are expanding their capabilities through distributed networks, a change from the traditional outsource model that lacked transparency and responsiveness. To drive business innovation, manufacturers must have total visibility into their global operations, with the ability to manufacture globally, understanding the business impact by bringing operational data from the shop floor to the enterprise. Enhancing the shop floor worker experience by delivering intuitive information at the point of work and increasing automation is the foundation of Industry 4.0. On the shop floor, we're seeing a new level of automation and connected workers. Machines talking to machines, real-time data being made available for intelligent responsiveness. To achieve this Industry 4.0 transformation, companies must be connected. Connected products, connected to manufacturing, connected to logistics, and connecting the assets. Connecting your global operations bring intelligence to the shop floor, leading to the smart factory. It starts with capturing the customer's requirements, creating an order with the right digital twin, sending it into production to deliver on customer expectations. To achieve a digital supply chain, you need to connect digitally to perfect reality. Connecting digitally is enabled through leveraging innovative technologies. Perfect reality requires the operational visibility and customer intelligence to manage your entire supply chain digitally and execute flawlessly today while transforming your business for the future. The design of the new smart products and assets, the handover from design to manufacturing, manufacturing to the customer's requirements, delivering via multi-model and omni-channel logistics process, include the after-sales maintenance and service of the operational assets in the field, while at all times having the integrated business planning processes across your end-to-end supply chain. With this in place, you can reimagine the business processes to leverage your real-time information for real-time decisions. Our customers are global. They have factories that span the globe. They're under economic pressures, social, political challenges that they cannot look at each plant as a silo. They must look at them as an integrated, connected, global operation. When we get our customers to think globally, SAP becomes the clear choice for their manufacturing operations. We have the solutions at the enterprise level. We take it down to the plant level, manage, control their manufacturing processes, their non-conformance, creating that as-built record for compliance. We don't replace the automation level on the shop floor, but we tie into it and collect the data. Not just collecting data, but collecting the right data, adding business context to this data, and bringing it back up to the enterprise to show what is the impact on my business. This is how you achieve digital transformation. This is how we at SAP are helping our customers eliminate these silos and create a global operations that can be managed both centrally and at the regional level and at the plant level. Business operations tied to manufacturing operations, tied into the machines or the automations. That is how we're driving change. With our SAP Manufacturing Suite, we offer solutions for each key stakeholder of your manufacturing organization. From the manufacturing engineering, giving that manufacturing engineer the environment and the ability to create the build package, the EBOM to the MBOM, to build the routings, to lay out what that manufacturing process should look like that can be enforced throughout your global operations. Planning and scheduling, the ability to plan your production across your multiple factories to optimize your ability to deliver to your customers. Manufacturing execution, the ability to manage and control your processes on the shop floor. To build the ability to deliver on non-conformance management, quality management, labor management, the ability to create an as-built record to deliver on compliance. Manufacturing insights. How do you do this digital transformation? Well, you have that visibility to key KPIs across your global operations. But it's not just visibility into KPIs, but it's making those KPIs and that data actionable. What does it mean to my business? Can you automate a response? Being able to take data, especially operational data, and turn it into information that drives change throughout your global operations and in your business. And environmental health and safety. Safety of your workers, safety of the environment, safety of managing hazardous materials. All that tied together on top of industrial automation is what's driving what we call the 5 business needs of connectiveness. The ability to have that visibility across your global operations. Having that ability and know what the business impact of each one of those plants of doing production and how they fit back into your ability to deliver on your customers' expectations. The machine-to-machine automation, machines talking to machines, but not just sequential, but even in a network of machines. Knowing what's happening at operation 50 and how it affects back at operation 10 as well as operation 80. Bringing these work cells together, going to this more modular manufacturing is how we're changing how our companies are looking at manufacturing and adding them as a business driver and not just a cost center. The ability to a complete end-to-end supply chain integration. The way you plan, the way you capture your customer requirements, the way you manufacture, the way you deliver to your customers, and the way you maintain those assets. You cannot just look at planning because what happens on the shop floor affects the whole supply chain. It affects your cost structure, it affects your suppliers, it affects your inventory levels, it affects your customers. Tying this all together, that end-to-end is what we do at SAP and how manufacturing is a big part of that, driving the intelligent enterprise, but driving value for our customers by tying this end-to-end supply chain together. Predictive service and maintenance. It's not just looking at a single piece of equipment. It's about looking at the 200 pieces of equipment from 24 different vendors, how this all comes together, and you maintain that assets, you maintain that process, and how do you drive that connectiveness across those multiple vendors is our value. And bringing that data across all those equipment back into the intelligent enterprise with business context and tell me, how do I manage my quality? How do I manage my production? How do I manage my process? How do I manage my assets? That's the difference we're making at the asset level. And also, supplier collaboration. You need visibility. As manufacturers change into this distributed network of suppliers, they need visibility. They need to know what's happening, whether it's at their own plant 12, 14, and 22, but they also need to know what's happening at these suppliers and bringing this together. That collaboration that goes across the supply chain, whether it's your own plant or from third-party plants, is one of the key areas of this connectedness. These 5 areas, when we focus on these business needs of our customers and apply our innovative solutions, that's how we're driving digital transformation and change at our customers. Let's start with manufacturing engineering. The handoff from engineering to manufacturing. Taking an E-bomb. This is all the components you need to design this product. This is what goes into the product. And turning it into an M-bomb, a manufacturing bomb that is structured the way you're going to manufacture, that maximizes the ability to control cost, maximizes quality, and maximizes your ability to deliver on your demand. It's no longer about capacity, it is about the ability to deliver the demand signals that you have today, agility into your processes. This environment for our manufacturing engineers is really designed for complex assembly. If you have complex assembly like airframe manufacturing and aerospace and defense, shipbuilding, heavy equipment, this solution around for the manufacturing engineering called SAP S4 Manufacturing for Production Engineering and Operations is the right solution for our customers. It gives you that ability to manage these processes and run the operations in that complex environment where there is multiple change operations and looking at the impact it's making not only in the bill of materials but on the process itself. Planning and scheduling. We have IBP that's out there and it's giving our demand signal. This is our demand. It's helping our customers manage that. You feed that into S4 and we run MRP. And MRP says you have all the right materials, you have everything you need, release the orders into production. Now, how do I schedule this production? Well, S4HANA, Manufacturing for Planning and Scheduling, has taken the PPDS product, embedded that core code natively in S4. So we've simplified the interface, we've simplified the complexity that our customers now can run. How should they plan production across their global operations to effectively achieve their plan, to control cost, and to manage that operation? That's the big advantage of what our planning and scheduling doing as a key component to the S4HANA solution. Manufacturing execution, both at the plant level on-premise and our new solution, Digital Manufacturing Cloud for Execution, that gives us a multi-tenant execution solution with key new innovation that runs on the SAP Cloud platform, that integrates down to our on-premise solutions. We see that our customers that have very high volume, high availability plants that are always running 24/7, they'll probably stay on-premise. But these other plants that they have that are the micro facilities that are getting closer to the customer, that's that final mile of production, the cloud applications are perfect for this. And the rate at which we can bring innovation into the cloud for execution and bring it down to our on-premise suite is how we're adding value to our customers and delivering on this cloud-first vision that we at SAP are delivering to our customers. Manufacturing insights. Manufacturing Intelligence and Integration, our MI solution, and our new digital cloud, our Digital Manufacturing Cloud for Insights. Again, both on-premise at the plant level, creating that industrial IoT platform that allows you to collect data off machines in multiple disparate systems, create dashboards and applications, but now you have the ability to feed from all your plants, whether they are running SAP at manufacturing at the plant level or another third-party solution or homegrown. You can bring this into our Digital Manufacturing Cloud Insights and have actionable data and KPIs that can be viewed at the executive level, that can be viewed at the plant level, and can be viewed down at the supervisor and operator level. Everyone's working off the same set of information. That's how you drive change and drive this digital transformation. And in both the Digital Manufacturing Cloud for execution and Digital Manufacturing Cloud for insights, we have predictive quality, and we have the ability to tie into our manufacturing network, which is the REBA network, which has over 30,000 discrete manufacturers, so our customers can collaborate on design, collaborate on finding new providers. Just again, tying our customers into the REBA network is a big added value that we're doing with our cloud solutions. Environmental health and safety. The number one KPI that you see when you walk into a plant is days without incident. The health and managing incidents around the safety of the employee is key around compliance, but also having the ability about hazardous materials, managing incidents and managing that hazardous material and put it into our core system so that it can be delivered to our customer with shipments and understand the impact of incidents down on the shop floor and managing change. Our environmental health and safety solutions are a key component to S/4HANA and is driving new innovation down to the plant and the shop floor level by giving us the ability to manage and control these incidents. We have a strategy at SAP that's going to deliver innovation quickly into the cloud for our customers. Our customers can have a cloud strategy, but at the same time, we're also covering that 24/7 always-on plants that are their big, heavy production facilities. So the mega plants that are production running high volume must always be on doing production, can't shut down. And the ability in the cloud is now, as we expand that, to bring innovation to those mega facilities or those key plants that must always be on, but also giving the ability to tie in the rest of your manufacturing network back into the same visibility, the same type of KPIs, the same type of actionable content, and tying it back into the digital core of S/4HANA. In conclusion, improve visibility into your manufacturing processes, support better, more transparent production management to access and resolve quality and productivity issues quickly while reducing warranty and liability risk. Adapt to individual requirements, meet the market of one demand, handle extreme product variability, maintain productivity, margin and quality levels, and improve customer satisfaction. Put your business assets to work more effectively, keep production systems running smoothly by optimizing the use of manufacturing resources, improving quality, and minimizing downtime. That is what we're doing with SAP Manufacturing and creating the intelligent enterprise. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.